Hey guys, this just came in the mail and I was all excited, so I wanted to share. I got an Echo Park. I subscribed to their project kits, and it's lemonade. I don't want to show you, this is silly, but I've been collecting stuff from my sister that loves pickleball, and I found this in my garage with all my gift bags that I love to buy. And then I printed this up. I used Creative Fabrica and printed this up. It goes with this font in my pickleball era. She's really into pickleball. So there you go. Thought that'd be fun to give her. Okay, but let's get into why you're here. The Echo Park. My phone won't sit straight. I don't know. Okay. Anyway, so it comes with a little magazine, give you ideas on what you want to buy and make. So I got it's the lemonade collection is why I got it. Look at all the cute stuff they make with it. All right, so there's that. And then this comes with the ideas, instructions, layout. Very cute. You get all these little ideas. And there's a tag. So, okay, let's open her up. I've done their card ones, and I stopped doing that, and I thought I'd try this one. See what I think. It's $29.62 or something by shipping and everything. But you get, I think, the whole collection. So, anyway, because, you know, I need all of it. Not. And I'm working on doing a video right now of us doing Prima Doll. I don't know if you guys can tell, but you're at an angle. Anyway, decorating and making a tag. So that will be coming soon. So here is the double-sided paper pad, 6x6. This is just driving me nuts. Come on. All right, never mind. You probably can't tell. Anywho, 6x6. So let's flip through this. So it's got your lemons. Ooh. A little pinstripe. Cut aparts. Made for sunny days. Sweet summer vibes. The other side is just a faint. It's got like little star things on there. Oh, lemon trees. Oh, this is pretty. This is cute. Oh, baby. You had me at bows. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So adorable. Look at this. Then there's the other side. The bee side, I guess it's called. There's lemons. And the other side, a small gingham. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Cute. Oh, I like that. This is cute too. Polka dots, you know I love my polka dot. Oh my gosh, look at that. That navy blue and yellow. That's so pretty. And there's the other side. It's a bright, sunshiny day. Have a sweet summer. Cute. Oh, lemonade. Oops, sorry. Lemonade in a cup. And then I think, yeah, it's repeating. So there's that. And then you get the ephemera. Super fun. Let's see what comes in here. I should have had, wait, I have my little heart board here to lay them out on for us. Make it easier to see. Make the background less busy, huh? Okay, it's a bright, sunshiny day. Isn't that the Partridge Family? I don't know. Hello, summer. Oh, this is a frame. Something wonderful happens in summer. Yes, it does. Lemon tree. I've got nothing but sunshine on my mind. Oh, this is adorable. Have a sweet summer. Sweet summer days. You're the zest. Oh, that's cute. Sunshine on my shoulder. I'm in the singing mood. Sunny days. I was made for sunny days, as long as it's shade and I'm near water. I'm kind of a wimp when it comes to heat. Okay, there we go. Lots of little tags. Yeah, I used to be at my job. they'd all sit outside. One, I didn't like it because they'd eat their lunch outside. Well, so were the kids were having recess. I was like, hi, Miss, you know. And I'm like, you know. Plus, it was freaking hot out there. So one of the principals got me my own personal umbrella. Yeah. They knew me. They wanted me to eat there with them, I guess. Summer. Oh, that's cute. So these are cute. Man, you get a lot with this stuff. Here comes the sun. Doo -doo -doo. Sweet summer vibes. Sorry if you don't like singing. Made for sunny days. Bada bing, bada boom. Hello, sunshine. Little life is sweet. Oh, I love a good lemon pound cake. Oh my gosh. Summer is simply the best. Yes, it is. Keep shining. Oh, very pretty. Oh my gosh. The best summer is spent with you. Oh, that's nice. So yeah, summer fun, sunny and summery. So those are the, what is this called? Ephemera. This is Cartabella. Oh, I didn't realize it. Okay. I'm going to stick these back in here now. Sorry, but if I don't, they'll get lost. I can touch something and it's lost within minutes. I don't know. I don't get it. Dies and stuff. I'm bad about that. All right, let's see what else we got in here. You get enamel dots. Pretty. So I think for $30, but then you got to pay shipping and all that hoo-hoo. Oh, these are puffy stickers. Very fun. Then you get your chipboard accents. Oh, wow. And I think because I'm a subscription person, I get a discount on other things I order. I don't know. Let me know if I do. Here comes the sun. Recipes. Oh, look at that with the lemonade in it. Shine. Very cute. Then you get the sticker, you know, the collection. So here's the sticker, element stickers. Okay, oh, look at the lemonade cart. Oh my gosh, this is, I'm gonna have to make a lemon cake. Where am I? Where's my finger? There we are. And strips, love those. Oh look, little strawberries mixed in. Let's see here. I think it's gonna be the same paper that was in the, yeah, it's just larger print. It's the 6x6 papers, I think. And this is Cartabella, so it's got that kind of a nice texture. Yep, there we go. Oh, baby. So just larger size of it. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. That Prima doll I'm doing, I might have to do using this kit. I might have to change up my entire plan now. Cute. Oh, I just love that. That's so pretty. I think Margaret's trying to grow a lemon tree. I'm surprised because we don't get hot enough here. I love the bows, of course. Of course, I have to put one of my favorites with the cut-aparts on the back. Oh. So you don't get two of each, which really, you could fussy cut those out. So yeah. Love that. And then the lemons. So yeah, it's the same, just larger format. Oops, sorry, I keep knocking into the... Sorry, my back is... I ran out, went for a walk real quick because the weather, oh my gosh, it was not lightning, but blowing, and I looked out at one point. I just love this navy blue, royal blue with the lemons. Isn't that pretty? Lemon slices. There we go. There's this one, and then, oh my gosh, made for sunny day. These are so pretty. The best summer is spent with. So it's the same, like I said, the same thing. It's just larger format. So there you go. I got that in the mail today. I was super excited. I kept waiting and waiting. You can put on there on the postal service, get that out of the way, that you want to be text. I want, because my mailbox isn't right down the, you know, right at the end of my driveway. I have to walk away, so I like to know when it arrives. And they actually brought it to my, because somebody hasn't taken, it's a community one where it has all the mailboxes. Why am I telling you all this? And then two big ones. So people don't empty their, get their packages out of the package ones. Then you get it to your door, which I guess is good for me. Oh, I just love this border. So yeah, I'm very pleased with this. Look for this on, I'm sure you can buy it without being part of the club or whatever, but yeah. All right, you guys, take care, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.